Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the missing chat history sync now feature not showing. Sometimes when you are using Messenger, you might notice that older conversations or even recent messages do not appear the way they should. This can be frustrating, but luckily, there is a simple fix you can try right inside the app settings. Let's go through the steps together. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. If you are not logged in yet, make sure to sign in or create your account. Next, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the three bars icon. This will open up the main menu. From here, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll further down until you find the option for Privacy and Safety. Go ahead and tap on it. Now, you will see several options related to how your chats and privacy are managed. Here, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. This section controls how Messenger stores and protects your messages. Once you are inside, tap on Message Storage. Here, you will see an option labeled Turn Off Security Messages. By turning this off, Messenger will adjust how it handles your stored conversations, which often helps bring back your missing chat history. Finally, tap on it and confirm when the app asks you to continue. After doing this, go back to your Messenger home screen, and you should start seeing your chats load properly again. And that's it. This quick setting change usually fixes the missing chat history issue on Messenger. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.